Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Samiha from Cook with Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to make this mouth-watering Sri Lankan dessert called Watlappam. Before we get onto the video, make sure to subscribe if you like what I do here, and also click that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. Now without further ado, let's get on to the video. Now I'm going to melt the jaggery. While melting the jaggery, keep the flame on a medium heat. Now add 100 milliliters of water and mix it well and let the jaggery melt. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Once your jaggery is melted, make sure to let it cool down. While the jaggery is cooling down, let's start to beat the eggs. Take 15 eggs and wash the eggs beforehand. Now I'll crack the eggs one by one. Once you've finished, add cooled melted jaggery. Now mix the eggs and melted jaggery. Then add 10 crushed cardamoms and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now start to whisk the egg mixture. Keep whisking for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now you can see the foam starting to form. Continue to mix and add a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of thick coconut milk. Whisk again. Once you're done whisking, drain the egg mixture, then pour the mixture into the mold. Remember that you could use any type of pans or molds. Now slowly pour the mixture into the mold. Now I'm going to steam the watlappam. Look carefully on how I'm steaming it because it's the main procedure in this recipe. For this process, you will need a large steamer. While you are preparing the watlappam mixture, remember to boil some water in your steamer. Then place your mold inside the steamer carefully. Now cover the steamer with a lid that is covered by some newspapers. The reason why we are covering with some newspapers is so that the steam won't pass through the lid. Now push the lid down carefully and let it cook for about 30 minutes. Now you can check with a knife. If it comes out clear, then you're done. On the other hand, if it didn't, that means you need to keep steaming for a few more minutes. Now carefully remove from the steamer. Now cut the edges of the watlappam so that it's easier to take it off the mold. Now cut it into small pieces. I like to have watlappam when it's hot, but you could have it after it's cooled down. Serve it as a dessert and you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!